There's a lot happening in the regulatory world every week, and we do our best to surface what matters most. Quick note before we start. I'm an AI-generated avatar of Tomislav presenting this week's update while he's out of office. Presented content was still summarized and reviewed by him. Here's what stood out to us this week. First update comes from Ecuador. The National Agency for Regulation, Control and Health Surveillance has updated its external instructive for the notification of suspected adverse drug events through the e-reporting Industria platform by marketing authorization holders and pharmaceutical establishments. The document confirms that submissions must be made online via the e-reporting Industria platform using either the E2B upload module or the manual data entry module. Submission via the yellow card is permitted only in exceptional, duly justified cases. A key transition obligation is also confirmed from August 2027. Transmission of cases using the ICH E2B R2 standard will no longer be accepted. MH using the E2B upload module must update their systems to submit exclusively in XML format following the ICH E2B R3 standard, incorporating MedDRA and WHO drug terminologies. Users of the manual data entry module are not affected. Second update is from South Africa. On the 19th of August 2026, the South African Health Products Regulatory Authority, SAHPRA, published version 1 of the guideline for industry e-reporting. As of the 1st of September 2026, HCRs or applicants are required to submit post-marketing adverse event reports for human medicines through a manual data entry module or E2B upload module using the new tool of industry e-reporting. The guideline now explicitly covers follow-ups, nullifications, duplicates. Registration now needs an Appendix 3 form rather than a simple email, with processing taking 5 working days. Companies are limited to 3 users within only 1 user per shared mailbox, and access must be deactivated within 5 days of an employee's resignation. The system only retains submission history for 35 days. After this period, the acknowledgement logs will no longer be available for download. Support contacts were updated. Use industry e-reporting email address for most issues and ADR email address specifically for nullifications or legacy follow-ups. 3 new FAQs were also added, covering interrupted uploads, timeouts, and missing acknowledgement logs. MedDRA and WHO drug coding are currently only advised, but the authority has signaled it will eventually become mandatory. Every week, we sift through the regulatory landscape and bring you what we think matters most. These were this week's standouts. We'll be back next week. Until then, stay informed.